even before taking delivery of the Rogue, I knew there were going to be some essentials that it was mandatory that I added, starting with the rear seat protector and the anchor for the dog tether. Because it's very important to keep your dog safe and sound. And in the cargo area, there's also another anchor that hooks into the latch seat anchor points. As you can see, Boone jumps right up there, and he's happy to be in the cargo area, and that tether keeps him safe and secure. And of course, I also added the 12-volt splitter, which powers a couple of accessories, including, mostly important, the Valentine 1G2 radar detector, and the dedicated phone that runs the JBV1 app. And there was also a temporary dash cam that used that splitter. Now, these were very important. These were nice. At this trim level, the Rogue didn't have map pockets, but see, these easy to install elastic mesh pockets provided some map pockets for the seat backs. You can see there's water, maps, first aid kit, and an emergency raincoat. Now, this trio of accessories has become almost ubiquitous with the modern cars with the advent of 3D printing, because it makes it simple to come up with these little inserts. Now, the two on the right are the standard inserts that you'll see, and they keep things from moving around because they got the non-slip grip there. The one on the left, now that's a special one. I want to thank Rob Motive for showing me this on his Tacoma. This sits right behind the infotainment display, and it fits like it came from the factory. Well, in my case, I have a very special use coming up. Now, here's the main console insert. Fits like it was made for it. And here's the under the shift console tray insert. Very handy. The last essential item, some people, whatever, it's the blind spot mirrors. You see, your normal outside rear view mirrors are a compromise. If they're adjusted to show cars, you can't always see stuff that you need to see along the side of your car. Thus, the blind spot mirrors were invented. Here we do a quickie install on the driver's side, but this procedure is the same on the passenger side. There you have it, the mandatory essentials every Rogue needs, but there's more.